We make traditional stained glass and leaded lights. We started in 1989. We originally worked for what is now a division of Pilkingtons, and as technology and the market changed, we could see that traditional skills were being eroded in favour of mass production, processing, and we felt that we didn't want to be a part of that. We wanted to keep with the traditional skills, and by and large that's what we've done. We start by cutting the glass, we lay it all out on a drawing, then it's leaded, which is as the name implies, it's joining it all together with H-section lead. And then it's soldered, which holds it all together, and then finally it's cemented. Everybody who works for us has got the full set of skills that can all draw, cut, lead, solder, cement, and that's really important. You can't do your job correctly if you don't know what the next guy along is going to be doing.
Sarah and myself, who was one of the other directors of Touchstone, we had an interior design company, and we needed a stained glass ceiling panel making for a particular project, and we found Dave. We designed this ceiling panel together and it was fantastic, and a few weeks later Dave rang us up and said he'd invented this system of double glazing.
You can't put a double glaze unit straight into stone and expect it to last. And I said this so many times that in the end I thought, well, you know, it's time there was a way to do it. So I started thinking about it, and what I came up with in the end was a product that we now call Insuled.
It's a patented system which can be fitted directly into stone without a frame. And certainly lots of architects, lots of conservation officers were wanting to come up with solutions. Once they see the product and realise that it allows the building to look the same, it functions the same, but it has the thermal efficiency and the beauty of the original.
It enables old buildings to be brought back to life. They can't be used because they're not insulated, but our product looks good, looks right, and works.
It sounds silly, but it really is a passion all round.
Yorkshire attitude, nice and straightforward, no jargon, just get on with the job.